sage. Now with sage, you want to make sure that there's no discoloration on the leaves and that they still have their aroma. You also don't want them to be wilted. They should remain somewhat upright. I'll pick off a leaf, roll into a cigar, and begin to slice into a chiffonade. These can be added to marinades, breads, sauces, or fried and used as a garnish.